My video tutorial is about removing the pop-up windows by the site understandingerrors.com. Understandingerrors.com is a dangerous website attacking Google Chrome browser and other browsers. So it tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. If you see these pop-ups by the site understandingerrors.com, you need to disregard what they tell you and don't install what they promote. If any unwanted extensions were installed to your Chrome, access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then remove this junk extension from the list. I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.